That's about 6 to 10 hours into the hike. Alright, we're at 1,000 here, so this is good. Right in here. Now the whales yesterday were dark gray color. I'm assuming they'll probably be the same whales. So they're going to look like kind of like gray torpedoes going through the water here if you can see them. Right about here. Let's see if they come up again. Right when we're turning over them, that'd be cool. There he goes. Spouts. Well, he didn't breach, but he came up. Usually there's going to be at least 2. Oh, look at that. He arches back heavy. He's going down. Just under our shadow, between us and the shadow right now. Kind of turned towards the shore. There. He's coming up right now for air. I think he's looking for baby. Oh, the rainbow in the spout. I'm going to swing around the other side. Maybe we can get him. You got another one over there? I look at the coast here too. Isn't that gorgeous? Right on the left here is what's called Crawler's Ledge. Let me show you this in here, Nikki. This is kind of cool. There's a waterfall right in front of us on the right. I'll take you in there. You should be able to see it pretty cool when we get back in there. There'll be clouds that get blocked the sun. This is called the Hanakoa Valley. Follow the river below you up into the corner there and you'll see the falls in just a moment. Hanakoa here is kind of a stop for the people when they hike. There's a restroom right down in front of us here. Little brown color building in the trees there. People will spend the night right in that area, get up, use their facilities, and go on their way. You can see on the right here little caves. This is the Horseshoe Cave and the Honolulu Sea Cave. When it's summertime, it looks just like this. It's actually really calm today. This is a great day to take one of those catamarans along the shore. Normally those can be pretty rough at this time of the year. 30-foot waves are not uncommon in the wintertime. The march here is, getting a little way. By about April, it will calm enough out here to start putting the beaches back inside the caves here. In the winter, the waves are strong. It pulls all the sand away. So there's only a remnant of a little beach there, Wesley. You can see Donald below you there. That's called Hanakapiai. It takes an hour to walk to there from right in front of us where the road ends. You can park your car here at Ke'e. You do need a permit, which you can get at gohaiena.com. You can see the coral below us has the sand areas there. That's where the humpback whales might be resting after they give birth in the sand portions. Let's do a climbing left turn here so we can look back and see the coast from the green side. I have some dolphins right here. They're gray color, but they're tricky to see. Can you see them right there?
Yeah, see those.
Well, it looks like there's about 5 or 6. Sometimes we can see 30 or even 100. Now, if any of you are a little bit more into hiking than the normal person might be, this is about a 7-hour hike, but it's cool. You can park here and hike along the trail to Hanakapiai Beach an hour, and it's 2 hours back into that valley, and then it's another 3 hours back out. So it's 6 hours of hiking, probably more like 7 hours round trip. This is now the north side of Kauai. Donald, you can see all the way down the Kilauea lighthouses, that little finger of land. The lighthouse is on the point of that. Little island across from it is Moku'ai. That's the northernmost point in the entire state of Hawaii. Have you had a chance yet, Donald and Wesley, to drive up to the north side here?
I was up there a couple of years ago. We actually flew our helicopter trip out of Princeville, though.
Oh, out of our Princeville base there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice area to launch out of. It's probably one of my favorite airports in Hawaii. I like another one called Hana. That's a boat. Oh, there are whales there. You're right. Which side got to see whales last time? This boat might scare, but look right below us here, Susan. There's a boat, and then there's a whale right below it. Right in front of us here. See the gray whale there?
Yeah, I see him.
I don't know that the boat knows it's there, but that'll probably send the whale down. They can't sail next to the boat. He just doesn't know it's there, but it's going to come up pretty quick. May not, but let's continue on because... But I also like the airport in Maui called Hana. They don't let us fly out of there, so it's kind of nice that you could take off out of Princeville there. That's straight ahead of us here, and this is Hanalei Bay. This beach here is called Lumahai, is where Mitzi Gaynor washed that man right out of her hair in South Pacific, so that's kind of famous for that. I don't know if you guys heard about the flooding we had in April. We got about 4 feet of rain about 2 years ago, and it covered this whole area, and you can see the landslide repairs, the concrete above the road and the dirt right here. Closed the road for